What's up guys, welcome to my new episode of 3.6 review of Mi Sphere 360 degrees camera. My name is Denis and as usually today is Tech Wednesday. You know, unboxings, reviews. Let's move on to my first ever 360 camera that I hold in my hands. Inside the box of Mi Sphere we can find small rubber pouch so we can carry around our Mi Sphere camera, and in my opinion one of the best small tiny tripods. As you can see, you can hold it as this or you can put it on a table. Oh, and of course USB cable for charging. Camera comes with Umbrella A12 chipset and 24 megapixel Sony sensors for images and videos up to 3.5K. It is very well built and the aluminum case feels really premium. And it doesn't have that much of buttons. Only on and off button, Wi-Fi button and record button. And that's it. On the side we can find micro USB port for charging and micro SD card slot. Keep in mind, as this is 3.5K camera, it will not accept just any memory card. It is supposed to be fast enough for writings. Mi Sphere is controlled by nice but yet pretty simple camera app with everything in the right place. And since this is 360 degrees camera, it offers way more than just basic views of angle. If you never had experience with 360 cameras, you definitely should try it. In my case, for the first time that I got it, I felt in love with it. It is that easy to use and it's even easier to edit videos to be used without VR glasses. For the quality of picture or video and its build, this is one of the cheapest cameras on the market. I will put the link in the cards and also in the description below with step-by-step tutorial by Travis David on how to export pictures and videos in different ways. Okay guys, feel free to check all of the links for Mi Sphere in the description below. And don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not yet. And as third, until the next time, stay in love. Peace!